guys, today I received my 10th Kiwicrate. Oh yeah, it's 10th Kiwicrate. I received my 10th Kiwicrate, which is called a mechanical sweeper.
Woohoo! Let's open it up. See what's inside.
Alright. Whoa, here's a mechanical sweeper. Whoa, there's all the pieces. Whoa, oh, that's this. Here's this. This is salt.
Salt?
Yeah.
Oh, it is salt.
We have these.
Mm-hmm.
More wooden pieces. And, oh, this is paint. I don't know.
Yep, so within this box, you have the sweeper frame, the 12 sweeper tabs, 4 sweeper bars, foam sticker sheet, 12 rubber rings, 3 rubber bands, paper sticker sheet, sweeper bin, 2 beads, 2 brads, 2 paper circles, 15 pom-poms, paint set, 4 watercolor paper pieces, salt, and your instruction sheet. Awesome! So this is your Whale Tales Kiwi Explorer book?
Yeah.
Okay, so where's the instructional?
Right here.
Okay.
We'll put this on top of the mechanical sweeper box. After this.
Okay.
It says
So I'm probably going to time-lapse it because I already read all this. So let's get started.
the handle. What you get is the handle, the large wheels, the small wheels, frame pieces, dowels, sweeper tabs, sweeper bars, foam stickers, black rubber rings, here rubber rings, rubber bands, paper stickers, sweeper pin, sweeper bin, paper circles, beads, brads, pom-poms, watercolor paper whales, black watercolor paper, salt, and last but not least, we have watercolor paint set, which we'll be doing tomorrow. Without a bad feeling. In this crate, we have create watercolor whales, create colorful watercolor whales, and use salt to do a painting experiment. Build a mechanical sweeper. Construct a sweeper and use it to sweep up pom-poms and other toys. That means it's sweeping time.
Basically. Okay, so the watercolor whales. Step 1. Now we're gonna paint. Here's RJ's whale.
I wanted that to like the right side.
Well, this is the side you have to paint.
Oh. Or it can get messy.
You dip your brush inside of your water. I don't even know if you can see the paint. So you dip it, and then get whatever color you want. Dip your brush in it, and rub, so you can create that color.
I don't want to get the whole art getting messy, because that can get paint issues.
Here's Mommy's whale, and this is RJ's whale. His whale is still a little wet. We're gonna go to the next experiment. Okay, now we're gonna build the mechanical sweeper. We have to build part A, which is build the wheel. We need the 2 large wheels, the sweeper bars, which are the blue. So we're the wooden wheels.
They're inside.
They're inside of here, if you can open that. We need the sweeper bars, the sweeper tabs, the rubber bands, the dowel, and the paper circles. So we're gonna get all that. We're gonna time lapse it so we won't take your time. So we made a mess. Now RJ's gonna roll the mechanical sweeper over it. And let's see if it picks up. You didn't roll very good. Maybe carpet would have been better, but it picked up some of the toys.
It did it.
It's kind of like a vacuum. I tested again.
I'm gonna put some toys. I'm gonna put some pom-pom right here.
The pom-pom.
Yeah. Okay. Right here. I found one.
Oh, it picked up one. It picked up a big blue one. Oh, it picked up some little green ones. Now it's not picking. Oh, it did. Our mechanical sweeper is working to pick up little toys. It's kind of like a vacuum effect.
We need to end it.
Well, it's because you're going super slow. You're not picking it up. There you go. You were faster. Lift it up. I think they're all. Yep, it's all clean. And now he's dumping them back out. Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
As always,
please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I forgot. Actually, don't give us a thumbs down. Give us a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, bye.
Bye.